If your lead magnet is weak, you're weak. Seriously, everything that follows will struggle. Your list growth, your sales, your business. The truth, most lead magnets are forgettable. But what if yours was so good that people would actually pay for it? That's how you build trust fast, and that's how you build momentum. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. A lead magnet is your first impression. It's your handshake. It's your opening move. It's your test drive. You're saying, give me your email and I'm going to give you something valuable right now. But if your lead magnet isn't magnetic, they'll either unsubscribe, ignore you, or worse, never sign up at all. So what makes a great lead magnet? It's not how long it is or how fancy it looks. A great lead magnet checks all three boxes. Number one, it solves a specific problem. Two, it delivers a quick win. And three, it makes them say, if this is free, I can't wait to see what they charge for. That's when you got them. That's when the trust begins. Treat your lead magnets like a mini paid product. Make it actionable, make it specific, make it valuable, even if they never buy from you again. Let me give you some examples. For example, a calculator that helps them price their services. This is very useful for somebody who has a service-based business and they want to know how to charge. A script that they can use for their emails or their sales calls. When I was running my software company, Webinar Ninja, one of our lead magnets was email scripts that they can send out so they can market their webinars. Also the scripts for the follow-up emails to remind them about the webinar as well as the replay later on. Give them a template that saves them hours of work. For example, we give out tons of templates on our websites because they work and they're valuable and people love them because, hey, if they can use something right now, it's super valuable. It's plug and play and easy to use. This isn't fluff. This is the start of a transformation for your clients. I have a lead magnet rule. It's called 20 bucks or don't bother. Ask yourself this, would I charge $20 for this if I couldn't give it away for free? If the answer is no, it's not strong enough. You need a better lead magnet, plain and simple. It has to feel like they're getting away with something, like they're getting a steal. I'm going to give you 3 examples of this rule, 20 bucks or don't bother. Number 1, when I started the $100 MBA, our first lead magnet was a 10-day free course. It was delivered via email. Every day for 10 days, they got an email with a video to watch. People binge watched it. They couldn't wait for the next email. We got a reply saying, this is better than a paid course that I just bought. That's the type of energy you should be receiving. Another example is my software company, Webinar Ninja, that I built for 10 years. Our number 1 lead magnet was our free trial. People got to run their first webinar, make sales on that webinar, make more than an annual fee for our software. So it's a no-brainer. My third example is Canva. Canva allows you to create great graphics and videos like you're a pro, and they have a free plan. That's their lead magnet. And yes, there are a few features that are gated to the pro plan, but for the most part, you can do a lot with the free plan and look like a pro with your graphic design, with creating an Instagram reel or post, with designing your banner for Facebook or your YouTube channel. It's just incredible. It's an incredible lead magnet because it's well worth free. It's worth more than $20. It's a no-brainer for people to sign up because there's so much value there. That's what gets results. When you totally over-deliver and people are just like, I can't believe this is free. These guys are awesome. Why do you want that energy? Because at some point, they're going to want more than what you're offering for free. And they're not going to go shopping around because they already got used to your product, your service, your way of teaching, and the law of reciprocity kicks in. People are like, hey, I've been using this product for free. I've been taking the free courses. This is incredible. I got to pay these people now that I can afford it and now that I need more. The key here to make a valuable lead magnet is to make it irresistible with a few tweaks. Let me give you those tweaks. Number 1, name your lead magnet like it's a product you're about to sell. Give it a really good name, just like a product. So say, for example, you're creating a PDF or a guide. Name it like the 10K offer builder, where it walks them step by step how to create a $10,000 offer. You want to get really fancy? Add scarcity. Make the lead magnet only available for 1 month. This lead magnet only available in the month of May, right? You're going to get some signups. People are like, hey, I better grab it before it's gone. Maybe add some immediacy. Get results with this lead magnet in under 30 minutes. or in 3 days. Add some proof. Show some testimonials from people that used your lead magnet. Don't just get testimonials for your products and services. Get some testimonials on the free stuff you offer. I ran a 3-day live training called Own Your Job. The first thing we did when we wrapped up that training is send out an email asking for feedback. And through that, I got testimonials. Therefore, I can use those testimonials when I'm promoting my lead magnet. Now you're not just offering a freebie. You're offering value on another level. You're leveling up your brand and your business, and now you're offering something that's worth paying attention to. People are gonna be like, hey, I can't miss this. This is really cool. This is really interesting. I haven't seen something like this before. That's how you rise above the competition. Look, your lead magnet is more than a download. It's a promise. It says, you can trust me. I will deliver for you. So make it count. Over deliver, blow them away early on, and they'll stick with you and they'll stick around for everything else that you offer in the future. Thanks so much for tuning into the podcast. If you found this episode helpful, share it with a friend. Go ahead and send them to 100mba.net so they can check out all our podcast episodes, including this one. And that way you can share the love. Thank you so much for doing that in advance. If you want to go deeper, if you want to learn more, then you should sign up for my 3 Things newsletter. Every week, I send you an email to coach you from afar. I give you 3 things, something to think about, something to change your mindset so that you're growing mentally. Number 2, something to do so that you're progressing and moving up levels each week. And number 3, something to learn so you're skilling up and growing as an entrepreneur. There's no fluff, no noise, just like the podcast, just practical coaching from afar. Just go to 100mba.net and sign up for any of our lead magnets, any of our guides, any of our templates, and you'll be added to our newsletter automatically. Now, go build your lead magnet. And by the way, if you need a template to build your lead magnet, we have that, okay? You can download it over on our website. Go to 100mba.net/templates, and it's in our bundle of templates, and you can use Canva to build out your own lead magnet for free. Make sure it's valuable. Make sure you're following that rule, $20 or don't bother, and you won't regret it. Thanks again, and I'll check you next time.